so day 2, I'm back and I'm reinstalling this wig. So you get 2 wig caps. Oh, this one fits really tight, which is good because the other wig cap wasn't even trying to fit like that. So that's that would be a plus. Alright, and the glue I'm gonna use is this glue by Kiss. It's called Precision Tip Red Almighty Bond Lace Frontal Wig Glue. And this stuff will have your wig glued down for days. So like you can go swimming, tug on the wig, it's not going nowhere. So this is what we're gonna use today. Easy because once it's on your hair, that's it. This thing. Okay, so it comes like this and you just squeeze it out. See how it's coming out? Now this stuff is pretty strong. But I'm not gonna use a whole lot. I'm gonna use enough, but let me get my brush. I don't know for my edge brush. I'm just gonna use my fingers. I'm trying to hurry up. Let it get tacky. And we're going to apply the wig. It's in, I don't know what color brown. Oh, it's in the color chocolate brown. It's an HD lace 20-inch in the color chocolate brown. I ordered this on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'm gonna add it to the video. And it's human hair, so the good thing about the human quality hair is you can cut them, trim them, do all kinds of stuff with them, which is really good. Alright, so let's go. It's real short, but I mean, it's different. It's cute. This is a different look, so. The curls were really tight. I like them when they were tight. Now they're getting a little bit loose, but you can always spray them with water. That's my spray water bottle to kind of revert the curls back. I'm gonna find the perfect wig. It takes me a month. I'm just trying different wigs. I don't keep the same hairstyle. I have a lot of different looks, so we'll figure it out. Tight here. Sit and I these eye patches on my eye. I finished putting on this wig. I got these from Temu. Okay. So I'm just finishing up. My storage is on full. It's got too much stuff in it. I have to Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I cut the lace, glued it down. Now I'm just gonna style it. It's not perfect, but we are gonna work with this thing. So. On this clip, I was just mentioning that I forgot to film me cutting the lace. That's why you didn't see that clip on here. So I just wanted to voice over and let you know that the footage, my storage is full, so it's really hard to get that footage back. All right, so now I'm gonna style this hair, do something with it, and I'll be back. I got some gel. This is the Miel gel. I brought it from home. I have some edge gel too, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. That might be too long. I might need to trim it. So I'm not doing a whole bunch of baby hair, so I'm just gonna work with what we got. Anything special? All right. So that's what I got. This is the end of the video. So in this scene, I just want to add clips of when we went to Skate Park, which is a water park, and I used the frontal glue, and this wig was not going anywhere.
The waterfall.
You see the white residue from the glue? That's the only problem. But when it dried, when I got out the water and the hair dried, you could see here there was no residue, which is the only part I didn't understand. I would definitely recommend the Kiss bonding glue. It works under the waterfalls, in the water, dunking your head, all that stuff. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.
I don't know how it's gonna look, but it is. You like Skate Park so far? Skate Park is nice, yes. I lost this bucket hat and these. We had to go find somebody to fix them out over there. This is probably one of the best things we've done, right? Yep. Since we've been here, this is like one of our favorite. We did a party boat. The waterfalls over there.